Winton School. I'm Melissa. Welcome to NEWS News for Ratu, the 27th of October.
Kia ora and welcome back to the Year 7 and 8 from their camps at Stewart Island and Deep Cove.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is kakara,
which is te reo for sweet or fragrant, as in tō kakara hoki.
You smell lovely.
Cool charm.
Right on, health and safety news. Year 5, 6, 7 and 8 students are allowed over the road at interval and lunchtime.
You must make sure you cross the road safely at the pedestrian crossing.
If you want to retain the privilege, use the crossing safely.
I'm going up the crossing. Oh, I'm back on. Hi Viz Vest. It's a part of the uniform and so good seeing nearly everyone wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
And remember, this term you must wear your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
Mini ball news. You have training at 12:45 on the new courts today.
Winton's Got Talent. 2 weeks to go and entry forms are ready in the office.
Pet Day news. Remember, we have a big day on Thursday building all our vegetable animals and getting ready for Friday.
Tidy Class Awards. Let's have a pizza drum roll please for Room 6 and 8. Congratulations. Keep those classes tidy for the pizza lunch reward at the end of the term.
Pizza. Big birthday news. A big day yesterday for Zach Pilkington, who turned a big 10 yesterday.
And Libby Mitchell also had a birthday yesterday, turning 6.
Happy birthday, you two. Rāwhānau kia korua.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the NEWS News Team, ka kite a pōpō.
Stay sharp and haere rā, Winton School.